friends, just a quick little DIY, use what you have. Look at my texture paste projects. Now I'm using my texture paste. You guys might recall I did a video about DIY texture paste. This is glue and baking soda. It's not something that's going to be archival. It's not going to last forever. When you make these little small batches, what I like to do is just keep a stirrer very near at hand because you like to stir it up before you start trying to put it on the page. But it is so like, you know, it's so crusty and good. I wanted to show you exactly how this works. So let's pull out one of these painted, I'm going to move this to the side. This is my junk mail journal, and I paint it as well. So let's just try this out. Glue and baking soda. I will link my DIY texture paste video in the description box below. You'll also find information for my Patreon site. So that will be in there as well. So there we go. It looks so pretty, you guys. All right, let's do stars over here. You can see that using this stencil, I did pick up a little bit of blue because I think I had used this stencil as a spray, you know, and the spray just never ever, it always moves. It always moves. So see, didn't that turn out really pretty? It's really fun to like make your own supplies. I really learned that from Jenny Belly, who, you know, could take a piece of trash and make a beautiful journal or whatever out of it. She's the first person that I'd ever seen use a cereal box as a book board. I also did a DIY cold clay video, and these are the small trinket bowls that I made from the cold clay. They're really simple, very rustic, very authentic. And what I'll do with these is paint. You know, I usually paint the rim of these bowls, and I'll paint something on the inside. And they're just, that's a really personal, from your heart gift to give to someone. You know, whether you have made the commitment this year to buy less, to use what you have, to, you know, choose to purchase from artists, you know, instead of companies. So just a little quick catch up on the two videos, the DIY videos that I did. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and do check out my Patreon site. Thanks, y'all. See you soon. Bye.